Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku remote on iPhone. Let's go. Open Settings, Network, About. Check your network. Your iPhone and your Roku TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open App Store, find and install Roku app. Open Roku app, choose your Roku TV. Remote down. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku remote on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.